All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are at Asakusa. This is one of the historic districts of Tokyo. And you can see behind me right there, that's Kaminarimon Gate. That is the entrance to Sensō-ji, which is the oldest Buddhist temple in Tokyo. It's quite scenic, and as you can see behind me, there's lots of tourists. And this is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Tokyo by far. And I remember when I first came here, this is the first place I saw. So now I'm going to take everybody with me today through this temple first, and then we'll go around the surrounding neighborhoods. So glad to have you aboard. Yes, this is Nakamise-dori. There's all sorts of shops here. It's pretty long. You can see Sensō-ji, it's way back there. There's a shopping arcade over there. You'll have these here as well, off to the side. A bit less crowded over there. Ukiyo-e paintings, I love these. They're very pretty. And you can see here, we got kimono rentals, which are very popular here for ladies. Now, this is an older part of Tokyo. This old buildings off to the side right there. Old neighborhood. And we're getting close to the temple. All right, that's the very outside of the temple right there. The second gate we have to go through. It's not only just an old temple, it's a very big temple. Bigger than most. Here's a pagoda right next to the temple. Another lantern. That's the temple center itself right there. Quite busy today, as usual. The smell of incense is everywhere. Wouldn't be a proper Buddhist temple without incense. Let's look behind. Here we are inside. People lining up to give offerings and make a wish. You could might be able to hear the coins clinking there. Smaller temple off to the side here. Small shrines there. Alright, this is one of the side streets from the temple. Not as crazy over here. Shopping arcade over here. Looks pretty colorful. I guess the streets look really old here. Older than much of Tokyo anyway. Okay, so this is a Shinto shrine right next to a Buddhist temple, but like I said before, you can be both Buddhist and Shinto. There's no problem here with that. And yeah, this is Asakusa shrine right next to Sensō-ji, the Buddhist temple. Bit of a small shrine. Okay, we're getting close to the river, Sumida River. Here's the park right here, and there's Tokyo Tower over there. It's everywhere. We could at least see it from everywhere. Sumida Park here. All right, everybody. Thank you again for joining me on another very interesting tour here, this time of Asakusa. And we saw lots of places. We saw, first off, Kaminarimon Gate, but now I'm just outside of Hozomon Gate, which is just outside of Sensō-ji. And we saw these places. We saw Asakusa Shrine, we saw the old neighborhoods, and we saw the Sumida River. But it's been a lot of fun, everybody. Thanks again for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I will see everybody next time.